Hi, it's Jason and Lindsay with Everyday Real Estate, and today we're going to talk about the market. So it's been probably a couple months since we've done a market update, and a lot has changed over the last couple months. What do you think's happening now, Lindsay?
So through the summer, and you may have read some articles about this, we watched inventory rise at rates that we've never seen before, at least in our history in real estate. So in the past 4 or 5 years, we've never seen month-on-month inventory grow at the rate that it's growing. So great thing for buyers, lots of more options, some more distractions, some stuff that you probably shouldn't be looking at that you are looking at, but a great thing for buyers. At the same time, we've watched rates rise. So from a year ago today to today, you're looking at about a 1% increase in the average mortgage rate, which means that for your average buyer, your buying power has dropped about 10% over that same time period. But Seattle prices have also dropped a little bit. So those two things thus far have balanced fairly well. The big takeaway is this. If you're a buyer in this market, you have more options. You have rates that are still historically low, much lower than what you saw maybe 20 years ago. And it's a good opportunity to get into a home. I think I mentioned this not too long ago, but we're having some pretty amazing success with our buyers not coming out of pocket with very much money when they buy a house. Essentially having sellers pay their closing costs, their loan origination, the things that go along with basically getting a loan on a house. We've got sellers covering those costs for buyers these days. So it's a pretty good opportunity. The real takeaway is inventory's up, rates are going up. If you have the opportunity to get into a house right now, you've got more options than you ever have. I think it's a pretty good time to buy.
And Lindsay, if I'm not mistaken, I believe rates are going up again in December.
I believe there's one more rate increase this year, and I think the Fed says they're going to do it at least twice next year. So the cost of money, the cost of actually acquiring a home for those that are getting a loan out is going to go up, and your buying power is going to drop as a result.
Well, so there you have it. Now is an opportunity to actually get into a home and pay a reasonable price and have some of your closing costs covered for you. So thanks again for watching.
Hopefully this is helpful. It's Jason and Lindsay from Everyday Real Estate. Again, reach out anytime directly or feel free to post in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.